How to hide your phone number on Signal. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Signal lets you control who can see your phone number and who can find you using it. First of all, launch open the Signal application on your device, and once you're inside the chat page after logging in, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile picture. In the pop-up, click on Settings. Inside the Settings tab, tap on Privacy at the bottom. Inside Privacy, tap Phone Number at the top. Once you see this phone number tab, go ahead and tap on Nobody right under Who Can See My Number. After you do that, go to the next field and select Who Can Find You by Your Number and tap on Nobody. After you do this, other people will also not be able to discover your Signal account using your phone number. Finally, after you do this, you can get back to the main chat screen, and that's how you hide your phone number on Signal. Your Signal phone number privacy settings are now updated, giving you greater control over who can see or use your phone number to find you on Signal. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.